See if it was this one. There's another one where I should just try and power it on before I do anything. Because why not? This is an actually terrible laptop. I don't know why I would hold on to this. Maybe for parts. Let's see what it looks like when I get it open. Because this is an AMD A9. Only marginally better than an A8 because the A9 had one additional core because it was an A10 that had a failed core. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. Coffee spill. Okay. Maybe I have coffee on this. This thing is bent to hell. There was an NVMe here. Pretty sure there was also a battery in this at some point. There's no battery in this. Alright, let's... That might not be the right board. Alright, let's check a couple other connectors here. Well, it's not going to be that one. This is more correct. Well, let's check to see if we're getting voltage. .2 volts. I'm assuming that means we're not actually getting a positive connection in there. Let's see if that can change. We should be getting 19 volts. Yeah, so let's go on a limb and say that's the wrong plug for the end of this. What about this one? 19 volts. Alright, so that one. So now I should be able to see. Okay. $19 volts. Alright, we got 19 volts on the board. Unplug that. Let's check for a short. Let's pull this out real quick. Let's take a quick glance. Like I said, I know more now. And see if this is something that I can easily fix. Order a battery for it. I mean, overall, it's not a bad looking laptop. This is teeny little baby CR32. Or it's a 1220 in this situation. It's adorable. That off of there. Motherboard out. Gonna need this. Coffee on that too. Check the other side of this, see if anything's just getting hot by getting electricity. Let's check our voltage here. Got 19 volts there. 0. So that's not opening. 19. 19, no step down. 0. 0. So something's probably wrong right there.
Babe, it's not.
It's not?
So resistance we have 32 ohms. On this I have 32. So more than likely one of these MOSFETs. 7 mega ohms. 34 mega ohms. 4 mega ohms. Curious if the only problem with this is the keyboard, because I'm pretty sure the rest of the stuff is actually fine. So let's do a quick check on the keyboard real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how to check to see when you don't, like when the power button is on the keyboard. And there should be a dedicated section of this cable that is just for powering it on. I'm just figuring out what that is. And then pressing the power button. Pretty sure it's gonna be this end here. Because what it's gonna do is it's gonna jump 2 points on here. Yeah, I'm like I said, I'm curious if the problem with this is just, if it's just that, if it's just the keyboard and I can just order a replacement palm rest and then everything just works, that would be crazy, right? All right, so I'm thinking that now I should be able to just take this and have that. Power button should be over here. And I can probe to see. Yeah. So the power button is on one, supposed to be on one of these, and none of them are doing anything. So it's a keyboard problem. Now, the real question is, let's see if we can find which of these goes to the power. Now, one of these should have, like, we should be able to look at the voltage on it. One of them should have like a millivolt or something on it. So that one has 2 volts. That one has 2 volts. Do these all have 2 volts? That one does not. Yes, it does. We need to do something real quick. As I'm doing this, let's unplug this. Just on the off chance that I accidentally bridge 2 of these connections and it tries to turn on, I don't want to fry the CPU. Highly, highly unlikely. But, you know. Alright, last check to do with the keyboard. We're going to check the individual voltages as I press this button to see if by pressing the button any of these voltages change. Go over to voltage. And make sure we have 2 volts, 2 volts. No, 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 nothing there. Nope, 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 no, 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 no. Last pin. Yeah, it's the keyboard, because one of those should have triggered a situation where the computer powered itself on. So that means, in theory, I should be able to locate which pin it actually is and then jump it, and the computer should turn on. Because all it needs to do is it needs to see ground, and then the circuit will take care of the rest. Problem is, looking at it, there's not an easy way to just look at it and say, hey, this is the one. It could be the pin on this end and the pin on this end need to bridge together, which more than likely that's actually what it is that both of these sides need to Just need to go to ground, and then this thing will just start working. Do I have a quick, easy way of doing that? Oh, maybe. Alright, so we're going to jump each of these pins to ground while we have voltage, or let's do it while it's open. Just in case it's one of those situations where, hey, we detected that the laptop is closed. Yeah, it's the keyboard. Cool. So there you go. Easy peasy. So let's look up a palm rest for this thing, and that's it. Wish I would have thought of this at the time. Keep that out here as a testing device. So this thing needs a palm rest, and it needs a battery, and then this will be a working computer. So let's see what kind of price range we're looking at here. Love it when a plan comes together. So let's leave. So, and we're also going to need to obviously reshape that. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.